Tomahawk. Dog Tomahawk is the fastest and most powerful motorbike ever produced, and no other motorcycle has been able to top its performance so far. The Dodge Tomahawk features a 8.3-liter V10 SRT10 Dodge Viper engine with a two-speed manual transmission which cranks out an insane of 500 horsepower and a maximum torque of 525 pound-feet. This four-wheeled monster can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, with a shorter top speed of 350 miles per hour. Only 9 units of the Tomahawk was produced between 2003 and 2006. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. Kawasaki Ninja H2R can hit it an estimated top speed of 248.5 miles per hour, which is an unbelievable feat for a motorbike. It is obviously faster than some supercars. With its 6-speed dog ring transmission and a maximum torque of 156 Nm, the Superbike also features 250 mm single disc with opposed two piston calipers as rear brakes and 2 by 330 mm dual semi-floating radial mount discs with 4 piston calipers of front brakes. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R can also accelerate from 0 to 60 per hour in an unbelievable 2.5 seconds. MTT V2K Turbine Superbike. This pretty body is one of the most powerful production sports bike ever manufactured. The bike is powered by Rolls-Royce 250 C18 turboshaft engine with a two-speed semi-automatic transmission, which cranks out 320 horsepower and a maximum torque of 425 pound-feet. The MTT Y2K turbine superbike can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds with a top speed of 226.8 miles per hour. Suzuki Hayabusa is the fastest bikes in the world at fourth number. This is a flagship motorcycle of Suzuki which is very large and sometimes confuse people for its world record. No, Hayabusa isn't the fastest bike within the world anymore. The motorcycle features a new ABS system and front brake calipers from Brembo monoblock. In total, there are 4 analog meters on the front, which incorporate a speedometer, fuel indicator integrated with water temperature, with SDMS mode indicator on the drive gear and an adjustable tachometer. Drive mode selector SDMS may be a special system from Suzuki helping to pick three different power engine modes A, B, and C. Its maximum speed is 193.8 miles per hour. Acceleration 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. 1340 cc liquid-cooled four-cylinder engine, maximum power 204 horsepower. BMW S1000RR is on the rank of 5th in the list of top 10 bikes in the world. The top speed of BMW S1000RR is 188.2 miles per hour, making it fastest BMW bike ever made. So far, BMW has had an eye for advanced aerodynamic for this version's new feel. The new S1000RR is the flagship supersports motorcycle of BMW that for 2019 has been entirely restructured. Unlike Japanese big automotive brands, BMW Motorrad has directly received its racing DNA technology from its parent corporation BMW. BMW S1000RR can go 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.6 seconds. Its maximum power is 204 horsepower.